Ha?
Sino na Jai?
Ganit? Tingin na ako. Kami na napisag ba? Sige ata.
Sakit ng ulo ko.
Ano pa kaya eh?
Hindi po. Sinala naman niya.
Today, isang bye-bye to.
Sir.
Okay, wait, what's your question? Hand over her forehead.
Can I ask questions?
Okay. Ask a question. Go. Without stopping. Without stopping too much. Without stopping really, really hard. Come on. Ask the question.
Yeah.
Dali. Sumamatay na.
Ah,
How come that your teeth is so big?
it's important.
And not ingrown?
It's wrong. It's wrong
In the feet? But it sounds like feet. Teeth. Feet.
Oh, you're joking me, huh?
No, it's truth.
I'm joking you, but you're joking too. Let's joking together. Okay, now come what? Please contact.
How come that your teeth is so big?
Because the environmental factor.
Why? What factor?
The clothes inside the mouth has to do something with the teeth deformity.
I think it's not environmental factor. I think that's physical
That's why you
factor.
later.
Churi. Churi. Churi naman.
Churi naman, churi ko lang yun. Churi yan tayo.
Yes, churi. Churi of evolution. Okay, sir. Another question. Important question because we need it for our last exam.
I become more intelligent when you ask questions.
Sir, did you kiss your girlfriend already? How many minutes?
What do you mean? Thinking of you? Next question. That's too personal.
Okay, what kind of kiss did you make?
A kiss that will make me forget what have I done.
Sir, another question.
Another question. This is fun.
Are you afraid of me?
No one.
I'm not afraid of you.
What else?
That's the
Mad lib.
funniest moment.
Sir.
Okay. I need more nonsense questions here.
For example,
Oh.
there will be a chemical reaction between you and Elaine Garma. What will be the components that will collide?
WTF.
What's the meaning? Again, sir, what's the meaning of WTF? Make it louder.
What the fuck? Never in a million years, man.
Sir, what if
What if?
love potion will be made by her and she will let you drink it without your notice?
I will inject my body with too much antidote so I will be invulnerable. I refuse.
Mag-bluetooth na ako.
Sir, thank you so much for that very meaningful answers
Yes.
for our very meaningful questions.
Meaningful? No, it's not that appropriate word.
What?
Meaningless. This is a meaningless conversation.
Thank you. Thank you for that meaningless show.
I hope you would never understand anything.
Sir,
Okay?
sir,
Follow-up question?
you're so handsome.
I don't know the English term for this eh.
No, that
That description, I don't know the English term for this.
that comment does not came from me. That came from Ma'am Lucena Garcia.
Oh my God.
WTF again.
Okay, that word never come up in my self whatever I would prefer for you to say the word tapatla.
Oh.
Tapatla. Okay?
Thank you, sir. I love you so much.
Or for the day of physical.
Because you're very low batting already.
No?
Wala na, bububuk.
Make it faster.
What?
End the show.
In the show? I don't want to. And where over there? You replace me here.
I replace you there.
Yeah.
Wow, how?
First step. Okay? You put your feet down on the ground.
Then,
You, of course, stand up.
then,
Then, take you step forward.
sir, I noticed
What?
you have no audience already.
Thank you. I'm fine, thank you.